everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the, it kind of looks like dots, so I'm just going the dot pattern, I guess, I don't know, but there's like a dot in the center of every face, and there's 6 dots to it, okay. It's very, very easy, so you need to hold the cube in any face, but the outcome will be different depending on what face you do, and so, yeah, so you need to do this formula. So get the vertical middle line and push it down once. Next, get the horizontal line, kind of, and like push it to the right. And then undo your first move. So push this middle layer back up, and then undo your second move. So push this middle layer back to the left. And there you go. You have your 6 dots pattern. I'm gonna call it the 6 dots pattern, okay? So that's basically it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.